Point 6, take 4. There were only 2 roads, by which sorts of roads they were able to depart from their home. 1, this is going to be the direct object of impendebat, but roll with me for a minute. 1, through the Sequani, narrow and difficult, between the mountain Jura and the Rhone River, on which carts one at a time were barely led. However, a very high mountain was hanging over it, with the result that very few men were able to keep others back easily. The other road, compared to the Unum, the other road through our province, easier and faster by much. That's an ablative of degree of difference. Because, and then we have this between. Because it was between the borders of the Helvetii and the Allobroge, who recently had made a peace agreement, come to peace. The Rhone River flows, and it is not crossed in no places by a shallow. We should probably talk about that line in class. The farthest town of the Allobroge and the closest to the borders of the Helvetii is Geneva. From this town, a bridge reaches to the Helvetii. They were judging that they either were about to persuade the Allobroge because they seemed to be no longer in a good mind towards the Roman people, or that they would force or compel them by force, with the result that it would be open for them to go through their own borders. With all the things having been prepared for setting out, they establish a day, on which day all would convene at the bank of the Rhone. This day was the 5th day before the calends of April, with Lucius Piso and A. Gabinius as consuls.